getting a lot. Today is, what day is it today? It's Wednesday. I've got so many errands I need to go and do some grocery shopping. I have no fruit. I was kind of scared of fruit because of like the whole food poisoning thing last week. This is my first solid-ish food in a day and a half. Will she puke or will she not? And Ezekiel bread is so dry. My family are laughing at me, talking to myself. What? Oh, I am a movie star, you're correct. Hopefully I'll make it back before 8. It's 6 o'clock right now. I need coal so badly. My seats are. Anyway, first stop is the UPS store. Just to get rid of this, which is stuff. Great product. It's just like this wren, but it just came a little bit, you know, you're putting it on your face, you don't fit check that no one asked for. This top's from H&M, shorts are from H&M. This is from ASOS, but it's a brand called Stradivarius. And some Converse. Okay, let's go. Oh, I forgot my mask. Okay, am I glowing or am I sweating? Next. Also, the lady in the UPS was really lovely. It's actually always really nice in that one. The post office though, that's another story. Yeah, let's go to gas. Okay. Okay, I think I'm at the right one. I'm actually really kind of scared. I don't know why, but for some reason, car washes scare me. Okay. Okay, scan barcode. Video to go on. Hi! So I am in it now. I'm so scared. She's an adult now. I've officially gone through my first drive-through. My car is all clean. Okay, I just feel like an actual adult now. I don't know if anyone else had that moment. Do I have a quarter? Because you know it's aldi and that you need like a quarter to your trolley bit. Ah, there it is. Well, I need to leave a couple. I don't have cash. Who carries cash nowadays? Like, I don't think people do because it's just a bit gross, isn't it? We all realise how gross it is. I need you. My phone definitely died when I was in there, but this is everything that I got. Meant to get a few bits and end up getting a lot more, but this is a good lot of food. I also got some toilet paper and paper towels. I realised also I did not put them in bags. I left my bags in my car. I also had the weirdest interaction with this guy. He was like, "You've got a funny accent, haven't you?" And I was just like, leave me alone. I just want to do my grocery shopping and I want to go home. I did not. The prices in Aldi are just insanely good. Orange juice, I got loads of coconut water, got lots of kombucha. They have a lot in Aldi. I do forget for this. I think I'll have this for dinner tonight. It's like Mediterranean vegetables. Oh, this is the thing that I was really excited to show you. They've got these little like ready meals. This is like General Tso's vegan little mini ready meal, which I don't usually have ready meals, but sometimes I'm just really lazy. Need cucumbers, got berries, cilantro, couscous. This is like some weird car park haul. I don't know what it is. Got these, got some hummus and carrot sticks. I'm gonna be healthy this week. I think I might roast some potatoes tonight. Lemon for my water in the morning. Tomatoes for my salad. Some freeze-dried strawberries, which I'm really excited to do something with. Today's been so productive. You literally can't see me. Today's been so productive. So, but yeah, I'm now gonna go home. Made it home by 8:23. It is 9:01. I sat in the car watching TikToks for a little while. Hello. What are you doing in here? Cleaning out this absolute mess of a cupboard. It's a lot better than it was, let's put it that way. This one, I don't really know, it's not perfect, but this is my very random little dinner. Just gonna sit here and watch Grey's Anatomy. A little bit of this truffle hot sauce. It's really yummy.
Who here feels like they have no idea what they're doing?